Might be a little sweaty. I've been trying these resistant bands, and can you imagine that all of these little colorful bands, and they don't take a lot of room. This can essentially replace an entire gym because there's so many different exercises you can do with so many different weight levels and resistant levels, which I think is super cool. Now, what I was trying just before we started recording is this one here, and I thought it was actually super impressive. And the cool thing with this is, I'm gonna show you right here, there it is. You've got a really easy to follow kind of like, you know what level this is. And 40 to 90 pounds might be a little bit confusing because you're like, at first I'm like, well, what is it? Well, it really depends on the exercise that you're doing. But what it's saying is that at minimum, it will give you a 40-pound resistance. So for example, if I did this right here, really like at this point, I'm really not stretched out. This is loose, right? So if I go and bring it up like this, I'm essentially at the lower end of that kind of like resistance level, right? So we're talking maybe around 40, right? But if I bring myself a little bit wider and wider here, now, right away, I can feel the difference. And again, yes, there's still some stretch going, which is the entire point. Now, what I was trying just before we started is this one right here. It's wild. Check this out. So look at this. Super safe to use because you're really just using how your body is moving, which I love. And look at this. Now, I'm literally doing triceps and I'm feeling them really, really hard. And if I wanted to go even harder, I just go a little bit on that width, and then it's even harder to use. And again, super simple, very simple to just move around with them, change them. And yes, there are, like I said before, different levels. Look at this one here. Might not look like much, but depending on how you actually use it, you can actually do some really nice, not just weight movement, but actually stretching with it. It's so comfortable to use. It is so easy to kind of adapt to your body movement, which I think is fantastic. Now, the quality of the rubber is really, really high quality. You're not going to break it very easily. I mean, probably extremely hard to break at this point. And the cool thing with this is, depending also on what you're looking for, on those big ones, this is the big one that I would kind of like even be able to loop around a bar if I'm doing, some pull-ups and have the pull-up assistance. So if I can't do a full pull-up, but I want to kind of like try that, then I can grow with the different resistance levels and actually grow and have that resistance. So basically I would literally be on my knees with this, and then that resistant band would actually help me to pull up. I'd still have to do the pull up, but it'd be a little bit easier, and then I can kind of like gradually go with a different band every time. Sorry, I'm out of breath because clearly it's working. And if you get super confused with everything here, look at this. So easy to follow some of the nice workouts that they have here all the way over here. Workouts that can be used in conjunction with other things. You could actually adapt it with barbells if you wanted to, with dumbbells if you want to. You can adapt it for a bunch of things that you may find in a gym that you may have at home, or you could literally have a complete workout with just these resistance bands. I think they're not only super colorful, very easy to just grab and go, but man, it is a real workout.